Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm really happy you're here today. Today is a mini vlog. I have been filming tutorials for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I have beginner content filmed, ready to go. I will post some of that this week, so if you're a beginner, please come on back. Even if you're not, we can always learn something new, right? Or something old. Sometimes we just need to go back to the basics. I've been crocheting since I was 10, and sometimes we just need to go back to the basics. Now, I know that a couple of you really want the Friends Kit review soon. That may not happen in March. I have a lot of stuff planned for March, so I don't think I can do the kit review this month. But you guys did pick it, and I'm very happy, and I've already started on the project, so it is coming, okay? I have not forgotten, it is coming. I also know that you really want the ebook versus hardback, which one's better. That's coming, but you guys, I bought a new book. That I had not seen anybody talk about or anybody mention or anything, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get started on the project like probably as soon as I finish this video. I'm very excited about this book. Will I tell you about it? Not yet. But it's perfect for March. It's a beginner book. It's totally beginner friendly. I'm so excited to show you guys this book. I am going to do an in-depth review on this book sometime in March. Maybe towards the end of March, but definitely in March because it's totally beginner friendly. The other thing I wanted to tell you guys about is remember to ask me questions. I'm going to do a Q&A in April because we reached 300. Actually, we're more than 300 now. I think last time I looked it was 313. So thank you guys. Yay! But ask your questions. Put them in the description box of this video thumbnail, or email me, or put it in the community tab. Those are your options. So don't forget about that. I also got on here today to let you guys know, I'm gonna be real honest with you. Making these videos is really hard on me, and I do as much as I can. I'm putting out shorter things and things where you don't see my face as much because I'm struggling with some of the videos I put out. I'm a Spoonie, you guys. I wasn't lying. I'm a Spoonie. I have a lot of medical issues. So I go through a lot of stuff every day, but I want to make these videos for you guys, and I really want to do it in March. I want to celebrate National Crochet Month. By the way, speaking of which, did you notice I'm not alone today? If you noticed who else is in the video, please put it in the comments. I try really hard, and I love that you guys think I'm upbeat. I'm totally upbeat. I am. I'm an upbeat, positive person. It's hard. It's hard to be so positive all the time when your body is trying to just destroy you. But that doesn't mean we should give up. That doesn't mean that I want to just let my body win, but I do have to listen to my body. If it tells me I need to rest, I need to rest, or I will make it even worse. So there may not be as many longer videos this month, but I'm trying really hard to get you guys content. I may have fewer videos in April, just so you know. I may have fewer videos. I'm gonna try for once a week. I really am. But I make no promises. Yeah, I wear the same thing a lot because I film when my body feels like it, and so I just do filming whenever I can, so I'm wearing the same thing a lot. But today, I did change my hair, so I have my bow, my Disney-inspired bell bow, so that's different. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Are you guys okay? Is everything going well? Are you having a good weekend? Did you get new yarn? Did you get new acquisitions? Let me know down below. I'm very interested. I love talking to you guys. I don't mind when you email me, when you ask me questions in the comments. That's totally fine. I don't mind at all. I've had a couple people ask me about Nova's calendar. That is a Simply Crochet magazine extra, and you can find Simply Crochet at craftstash.com.us if you're in the US. You can find it at Joann Fabrics, sometimes Michael's, eBay, and if you don't mind having a digital version of everything, you can always do pocketmags.com. Not sponsored, not affiliated. I am a Simply Crochet member, but they don't pay me to say these things. I wish they did. But I love Simply Crochet. I love Simply Crochet. I love Crochet Now. Crochet Society, I'm a member. Would you guys like to see a Crochet Society unboxing? Because I'm getting a new one this month. Would you guys like to see that? Let me know down below. Oh, I'm a member of Club Crochet. I highly recommend Club Crochet. He taught me some tricks I didn't even know existed. I am a member of StringyDingDing. I'm a ding dong. I love Olive. Her patterns are so great. I've been very excited. I've been working on Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches. I've been working on her Premier Yarns, Premier Week projects, even though I don't have any Premier Yarns to do it with. But I did just make an order to Premier Yarns, but I still can't make the projects because I didn't order the yarns for that. But anyway, I love Premier Yarns. I just don't have the exact yarns she mentioned, so oops. So I had to use other brands, but I'm very excited. I'm making this really cute blanket. If you haven't made her, what did she call it? Granny Chevron Jacob's Ladder blanket or whatever. I'm making that. What else? I finished my project for Crochet Month. I finished that. But you know what? You guys are actually watching this video. Do you want to see a sneak peek? Do you want to see it? Okay. So it's National Crochet Month, so I felt I had to do something for National Crochet Month. And Lauren SB, man, I love this girl. Her designs just thrill my heart. I have almost every book she's ever written. And I had to buy the seasonal bunny bundle patterns because I just thought they were too cute. And when I saw this one, I went, I don't care what else I have to do. I have to make this now. So I made the yarn ball bunny. Isn't it cute? Here's the little yarn tail. Isn't it cute? I love this pattern. It's so darling. Look at the little crochet hook. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm totally making more bunnies. This just makes me so happy. And I picked neon because I was like, you know what? National Crochet Month, man. We've got to do like party yarn. So I felt this yarn said party. So, but I wanted to make it look, hers is all one color, and I wanted to make it look like the bunny is still a little bit separate from the yarn ball. So maybe it's more of a costume to celebrate National Crochet Month. So I love it. It does not have a name yet. You know what? If you guys want to give me name suggestions in the comments, I would love that. I would love that. Let's keep it kind of crochet related. So like a yarn name or a hook name or, you know, something crochet related, you know? So, I don't know. I just think it's cute. Because of this yarn, I had to add the little white so you can actually see the eyes because you couldn't see the eyes. And I highly recommend this pattern. It actually is free. You can find it for free on her blog. If I remember, I will link it in the description box below. And you can make one. And you all should make one. It's really easy, you guys. It's so easy. And it's free. It's free. And you can buy her bunny pattern bundle, which I did because I just think all the bunnies are cute. And I want every single one that comes out. But she also has it for free, so that's my little finished object. Isn't it cute? Oh, I love it. My favorite part of this entire thing was the crochet hook. I just thought it was so cute. I was like, I need to make like a garland of yarn balls and crochet hooks and just display them back here. Do you guys think I should do that? I think I should do that. I think that would be hilarious. Like decoration. So that's my little guy. So we're gonna say goodbye for now. Goodbye. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. We would love to have you. We have fun over here. Even when stuff gets serious, we have fun. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know every time I post a new video, which I have no schedule, so you won't know unless you turn on that bell. I'm so glad you joined me today. Thank you for watching my little mini vlog. I hope you have a great day. Remember, life happens. Spoonies, we know this. Life happens. Yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye. Goodbye.